y is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Let us learn this using an example. Let us explore mathematics. I'll be taking an example of 5 raised to the power of 4 and 5 raised to the power of 3. Right? So according to the law that I have written there, it means that 5 raised to the power of 4 minus 3, which will give me 5 raised to the power of 1. I can just simply write it as 5 because 5 raised to the power of 1 is again 5. Right? So now let us use the theory of exponents. Let us use what is exponents and then let us try and do this. So 5 power 4 by 5 power 3 is what we have. So what is 5 power 4? It's 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and again multiplied by 5, right? Similarly, we write it for 5 raised to the power of 3 as well. Okay, so that's 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So what do we have here? We can just cancel out the common terms. That is whatever is same in the numerator and denominators. That is 3 of the 5s will just get cancelled out. And what are we left with? We are left with just 5. Correct. So as you can notice, it is the same what we got here as well as when we use the formula. So this is why a to the power of m by a to the power of n will be given as a to the power of m minus n. If you want to learn more tricks like this, follow the SmartRoot. And also you can join our online and offline classes as well.